Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to generate unlimited pins and auto post on Pinterest using AI. Because right now, Pinterest is very good in traffic and there's a potential of passive income. So right now, I'm gonna teach you using this AI called Pin Generator. This is the website. And basically, it's very easy to use. You just need to enter your URL here. Now you might ask, which kind of URL, what URL I'm gonna enter here. Basically, you need to choose an article you're gonna use and create pins with. So for example, just for discussion purposes, I'm gonna use this one. It's gonna be the best drones under $500. I'm just gonna copy the URL, go back to the pin generator, paste it there, and simply click on generate pins over here. So after clicking that generate pin right there, you'll arrive on this landing page where basically this is just like an editing platform. So the first thing you might notice is Pin Generator will ask us select which image to use for pins. So basically I suggest choose the one that are unbroken because there are broken images right there, right? So make sure to choose the ones that aren't broken and simply select them there. And click done. Now right now I have a total of 12 pins that's gonna be randomized. And AI will just post them from here. Now, for example, you want to add some more samples, some more pins in the pool. Simply click on this option and then increase the number here. For example, I want to put 15. Click on generate pins one more time. And basically, pin generator is going to go back from earlier. And that's going to ask me which image to conclude and which image to include. Now, right now it's back. And right now I'm just going to choose again some images that are not broken. So again, just choosing those images, click done, and right now I have a total of 15 pins to work with. So with this one, these are the metrics and parameters that we can use. First things first, colors and font. Basically, this is by default. The one selected, as you can see, that is brown. Everything that has brown on it is being used. If you want to change it, simply click it and work your way around it. As you can see, each time I move, the colors are different. If you notice right there. Now changing the color is simple. If you want to go on a little bit more red side, going in that cherry red color right there, basically you're doing it, right? Now this is a drop down arrow and choosing the colors right here is perfect because there is a lot of colors to work with. Simply choose a specific color and right there, all of our color palettes have been changed. Now you'll see this option that says activate font overlays below. I strongly say that this is not useful, it's not good, so check it out. It's gonna remove all of those fonts, right? Anyway, it's a little bit good, it's aesthetic for some, but again, by majority, it's not good. So I suggest you avoid this feature. Next one, templates. By randomize, it's gonna be AIs choosing the photos. Now, if you want to choose specific templates to work with, of course, it's perfectly fine. Simply click on this one and choose the very template that you're looking for. There are a lot of templates to work with here, so please choose which is going to be best fit for your pins. I'm going to stay with randomize right there. Moving on. Now moving on to the images. This one right here. I can select randomized images there if I want it to be randomized, but since I have selected images earlier, the ones that are not broken, remember that one, I'm gonna stick by default. I just want to show you that there's an option here. If you want to upload your own images and use your pins, this is the one you're looking for. Upload the specific image you're looking for. For example, I'm gonna use this one. This AI generated image I got from Midjourney. It's just uploading for a while now, and to enable it or to drag it on your pin, simply hold it and basically drag and drop. Easy as that, right? Anyway, moving on to detected images, this is the one earlier, the unbroken ones. So if you want to deselect or select anything here, simply choose those buttons right there and you're good to go. For stock images, this is the one I like. So since our topic is for drones, I'm going to type drones there. It's much like Canva. It will give you some stock image to work with. So again, same drill, just drag and drop on which pins you want them to put with. So for example, that one right there, easy as that. Same goes with videos. Basically, it's the same thing. Just type it in and then drag and drop once again. But I'm gonna stay with photos here as I don't want to work with videos right now. Moving on to the AA option. So for this one, since it's gonna be unlimited pins with auto post, you want to avoid those repetitive titles, right? This is where AI option comes in, making sure you're English, you're neutral, and keywords. I'm just gonna type in drones under $500, rewrite all titles with AI, and basically everything here right now is gonna be randomized on those titles. Easy as that, right? Now you have suggested keywords here. Drones under $500, this is the one I use with. And moving on for the bulk settings here, this is basically the last settings to work with. So set all titles, I'm gonna go with drones under $500 again. And basically for this one, set all description, I'm gonna leave it as it is because basically I don't want my pins to be overloaded. Outbound links, just make sure you copy the link, the one you use for your article. Set it there, and basically you're good to go. Now for brand settings, rather, this is more on the Etsy store, but for now we're gonna focus on Pinterest, so I'm gonna leave this as it is. Now if you're satisfied with these options right here, go back to the top section and simply click on schedule all pins here. If you click on this one, you'll have select boards to pin with. I'm just gonna choose quick save there and click on done. Pinterest and the AI earlier, so give access. We're just linking them both. Now we're gonna go back here. Now after linking your account, you should see this landing page where you have linked, as you can see right there, authorized pin profiles you can pin to. Make sure this is enabled with the check sign. Now if you're satisfied with this one, you can just go on the section schedule right there, click on it. Now as you can see, we have three options: smart shuffle, random shuffle, and reset scheduled times. But for now, let them be as it is by default. I wanted to focus on this option that says edit schedule settings. So simply click on it, and you'll see pins per day, making sure that how many pins you want to post per day. For now, for example, just for discussion purposes, I'm gonna go with 5 to 10. Let's meet in the middle by 8. But the recommended is 20-30 pins per day. For new Pinterest profiles, start to 5 to 10 pins per day. So I'm gonna go with 8, and pin post times. It has recommendation. This is what I love about this application. It also teaches you which is the best time to post. So I'm gonna leave it as default right there. Time zone, I'm gonna leave it at default also. Save settings. And that being said, I have scheduled my pins right now. Now that being said, we have just scheduled a pin generator to fully utilize our Pinterest and earn passive money. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.